Okay, boys and girls, today we're learning the last new letter of this week. This week we actually learned 3 letters. Monday was the lowercase L. Yesterday, Tuesday, was the lowercase H. Today, it's going to be a brand new lowercase letter, which I'm not going to mention to you what it is yet because we are going to predict what today's letter of the day is. So, what we're going to do is we're going to analyze this new lowercase letter, and we're going to correctly form the letter and match the beginning sounds to the objects. So on the third slide, you'll have access to my YouTube studio page. It has all of the lessons. And we're going to do our sound drill right now. So let's see. Today, Miss Castro is going to do it on her own. And then starting Monday, we're going to start fresh. We're going to do all the kids again, all the boys, all the girls. So today, everyone's just going to stay on mute, and we're going to do it together with Miss Castro only, okay? A, apple, A. Good. Make sure your mouths are moving, and I can see all of your videos. Make sure you're practicing. B, bat, B. C, cat, K.
B.
D, dog, D. E, egg, E. F, fun,
F.
G, game, G. H, hat, H. I, itch, I. J, jug, J. K, kite, K. L, lamp, O. M, man, M. N, nut, N. O, octopus, ah. P, pan, P. Q, U, queen, qua. R, rat, S, snake, S. T, top, T. U, up, V, van, V. W, wind, W. X, fox, X. Y, yellow, Y. Z, zebra, Z. Excellent job, boys and girls. Okay, so Miss Kasha is going to share her screen with you, and we're going to predict what today's letter of the day is. So, here we go. So focus on the objects because we're going to review them once the video is finished.
Turn and learn ABCs.
Let's get started. I see some tiny red things. And a big red thing. More tiny red things. And another big red thing. What could this be?
Kite.
Kite starts with the letter K. Okay, let's try another one. I wonder what that could be. That's definitely 2 feet. I see a man with a beard. He's wearing some fancy clothes.
King.
King starts with the letter K. Now for the last one. Oh, something gray. And more gray. Maybe 2 ears? An animal? An eye? Yep, that's definitely an animal. What kind of animal do you think it is?
Koala.
Koala starts with the letter K.
Okay, so let's review. What were some of the objects that you saw on the screen? Tell me one object. Gracie Mani, go ahead.
Koala.
Koala, excellent. Koala bear. So that was one object that we saw in today's video. What was another one? Let's see. Kimura.
Kite.
Kite, excellent. Good job, Kimura. Dominic, what was the last one? It was a person, and that person has a special name.
What? King.
King, very good. Excellent. So we have koala,
King.
kite. So what letter do all of those 3 objects begin with? What's that first letter that it starts with? Jaden, go ahead. What letter?
K.
Excellent job. Correct. It is the letter K. Let's see if Roslyn, can you share with us what sound does the letter K make? Good. Do it one more time. Good job, Roslyn. Thank you, Mama. So today's letter of the day is K. Kimura, it's your letter of the day today because Kimura begins with the letter K. So let's go back to our presentation. Ms. Kasha is going to show you how to form the letter K. Now, for the letter K, well, actually, before I show you that, let's quickly go over our vowels and sight words. So first, let's do the vowels. Ready? Stay on mute, and then you're going to practice in your home. A, apple. Next vowel. E, ed. Next vowel. I, itch. Next vowel. O, octopus. And the last vowel. U, up. All right. Now we're going to practice the sight words. Kimura, since your name begins with today's letter of the day, I want you to practice saying the sight words after me. Are you ready?
Okay.
Okay, the rest of us are gonna be on mute. Only Kimora is gonna repeat after Miss Castro. Nice and loud, Kimora. I,
A.
can.
Say it.
I can.
Just the word can.
No, just the word, Mama. You're just repeating the word. Say can.
Can.
The, you,
You.
me,
Me.
and,
And.
is,
With.
am,
And.
on, he,
Say it louder.
He.
good, in,
In.
it,
It.
my,
My.
and today's sight word, we.
We.
Good job, Kimora. Excellent. Thanks for helping me out. So today, boys and girls, we're focusing on the sight word we. We is when you're talking about yourself and another person, or it could be more people with you. So we is spelled W-E, we. Now, let's practice saying we the way Miss Kasha showed you using your arms. Everyone put your arm out in front of you, nice and straight. I'm trying to move back. Hold on one second. Okay, nice and straight. So we're gonna start off with our shoulder. Then you're gonna touch where your elbow bends, but keep it straight. And then you're gonna touch your hand. So we're gonna say the sight word we 3 times, touching each part of our body. Ready? We. 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 Good. Do it one more time. Keep your arm out nice and straight in front of you. Good job, boys and girls. One more time. Start with your shoulder. Tap there. We. 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 Excellent. Good job, boys and girls. Okay, let's go back to our presentation because now Ms. Kasha has to show you how to form the letter K. I just realized I didn't crop this out. Okay, hold on. Let me quickly fix this so that way I could make it bigger for you. So what Ms. Kasha does is I take a screenshot, I paste it onto our slides, and then I crop it, which means I cut it, and then I make it bigger so that way we can focus on how to form the letter. Okay. Now, boys and girls, for the lowercase k, I know it could be a little tricky sometimes, so we're going to have to practice this a lot, okay? So we start first at the skyline. Go all the way down to the grass line. Then you're going to have to pick up your pencil. You're going to point to the plane line, but you're going to leave a little teeny tiny space on the plane line. Then you're going to slide into the line. And then you're going to slide out and down to the grass line. And that's how you form the lowercase k. So for the lowercase k, when you're sliding in from the plane line. Don't touch the skyline, because if you touch the skyline, you're making the uppercase k. So families, if your child needs help forming the lowercase k, highly recommend using that yellow highlighter, okay? Lowercase k can be a little tough because although the children know how to form it, sometimes by mistake they go and they touch the skyline, but skyline would mean that it's an uppercase letter. So not uppercase, it has to be lowercase, boys and girls, okay? So what Ms. Cash is going to share with you, her whiteboard, I am going to form the letters. So hold on one second. I'm going to make the skyline. Let me make the grass line. And now I'm gonna have to do little lines for the plane line. Let's do that again. Okay, so I just formed the letters. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick a color. I'm gonna pick let's pick orange. So let's pretend this is the skyline. I'm gonna draw some clouds, plane line, and grass line. Okay, so now I'm gonna pick the color brown. And now I'm gonna show you how to form the lowercase k. So start at the skyline. You go down to the grass line. I know I look sloppy, so when you do it with your pencil, boys and girls, on the sheet, make sure you do it nice and straight. It's a little sloppy for Miss Castro because I'm using the mouse of my computer. Now, when they say to leave a little space on this plain line, this is what they mean. You're gonna leave that little space, then you're gonna go in and down, touch the line that you made.
Miss Castro!
Yes, Andrew. Not now, Andrew. I cannot watch what you need to show me because I need to show you how to form the lowercase k. So please be focused. You can show me at the end of class, okay? So before what I just said, boys and girls, is when you're on the plain line to go into the line that you made, leave that space. So you're sliding into the line and then you're sliding out and down to the grass line. And that's how you form the lowercase k. I'm going to show you again. Draw a straight line from the skyline to the grass line. Go to the plain line. Leave a little space. Starting at the plain line, go in, down, sliding to the line that you made, and then go out, down, sliding to the grass line. And that's how you form the lowercase k. Like I said, boys and girls, I know forming the lowercase k might be a little tricky. So if you have to keep practicing all these days that we don't have school, you're more than welcome to, because practice will help you improve. Okay. So let me go back to the screen. All right. So I showed you how to form the lowercase a. Here you have on the next slide, songs and stories of today's letter of the day. Oh, I forgot to crop this too. Let me quickly crop it. Okay, so I'm showing you today's work, which is the lowercase k and the sight word of the day. And then we're gonna do something fun together right now. Okay, so for the first sheet, lowercase k, you're gonna form that letter on both the top line and the bottom line. Let me see if I can make this bigger. Okay, that's better. So on the top line, you're forming the lowercase k. Then you're gonna form it again on the bottom line. In the center of the page, you have to look for all of the K's and you circle the letter K. Then at the bottom where the illustrations are, you will color the pictures that begin with K. First picture, kite.
Kite.
Monkey. Key. Yo-yo. Octopus. Kangaroo. King. Quilt. So the sound of the K, again, boys and girls, is the sound K. The other letter that also makes the sound K is the letter C. So for the letter K, it makes the sound K, and the letter C also makes the sound K. The pictures that you're gonna look for, you're looking for 4 pictures that begin with that sound, and you're gonna color it. Okay, there's 4 pictures you're gonna look for, and you're gonna color those that begin with the sound K. Then for the sight word today, sight word we, the sentence is down there at the bottom, but it's not in the correct order. So you have to figure out the correct order. You're going to cut out the words and you're going to glue them where you see the glue bottle at the bottom. So right now it says play, we, to, like. That doesn't sound right. So what you do is you look for the word that has an uppercase letter, because sentences always begin with big letters. So that here would be the sight word we. So we would go first, and then it would be like. So it'd say we like to, and then the last word would be play. Play is the last word because it has a period at the end. So play would be the last word. Then you're going to write the sentence where the pencil is, and then you're going to illustrate a picture to match the sentence that says we like to play. So you would draw yourself and another person or other people, and you're going to illustrate something that you like to play. Okay. That is it, boys and girls. That is today's work for Fundations. That's the lowercase k and the sight word we. All right. So what Miss Castro is going to do is I'm gonna do something fun with you now for Thanksgiving.